Hi, I'm Isabella. I am a macrame artist and tutor. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the berry knot. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To make the berry knot, you will need 4 strings. We are going to make 3 consecutive square knots, leaving a gap at the top of 1 centimeter. Make 3 consecutive square knots. Take the 2 middle string and place through the hole at the top. So now you can roll your 3 square knots to make the berry. You can make a square knot at the bottom to secure the berry knot. For more macrame techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.